Hello again. It's time for Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English, and today we're looking at some sounds in British English. Today we're looking at these two sounds, p and b. You need two things for today's lesson. You need clean hands and a piece of paper. Okay, first of all, back to the sounds. This is p, p. This is b, b. The mouth is exactly the same shape. The tongue is in the same place. P, b. Nothing is different. The only difference is voice, vibration. Clean hands? Okay. Fingers on your neck and go p, 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 p. This first one. P, p, p. And now try b, 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 b. Can you feel any difference between p and b? On b, there's vibration. Not a lot, a little vibration, but it's there. Another idea to show the difference. Piece of paper? Okay, the first one. This one first, then the second. Here we go. This is p, 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 and b, b, b. Big difference with p, p, p. Air comes out of the mouth like an explosion. P, p, p. On the other one, b. There's no air flying out. B, b, b. So, time to practice some words and the pronunciation of p and b. Ready? Have a look at this. Here are some words with the p and b sound. Ready? Have a look at these. In a moment you can practice them, okay? But let's write them down first. We've got pit, bit. Pat, bat. Port, bought. Don't worry if you don't know the meanings of all of these words yet. You can look them up in a dictionary. This is really just pronunciation. Pull, bull. Pride, bride. Okay. Have a look at these words. Rope, robe. Tripe, tribe. Tap, tab. Cup, cub. Rip, rib. So there we are, some nice words. Let's have a go at practicing them. I'd like you to listen and then repeat. Practice the difference. First of all, this one. Pit, bit. Pat, bat. Port, bought. Pull, bull. Pride, bride. P and b. Okay. Try these. Rope, robe. Tripe, tribe. Tap, tab. Cup, cub. Rip, rib. Practice those sounds as often as you like. Come back to them in a day, a week, a month's time and practice them again. Try to get the p and b sounds. So, British English pronunciation, p and b. No problem, easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye.